Good morning, gurus. Welcome to another episode. Hope you're having a beautiful day. Bitcoin pumped all the way to 105,000 last night. Massive congratulations. Anyone who bought Bitcoin with me down here, we actually bought it at 90K, even further down. Volume, huge spike of volume. Going into the close, actually, into the American time. Now it's 1 a.m., but at 9 p.m. or at 7 p.m. we had 7 to 9. We had a huge spike up on Bitcoin with massive volume, which is amazing. The individual investor should act consistently as an investor and not as a speculator. Investing what is comfortable is rarely profitable. Markets can remain irrational longer than you can remain solvent. John Keys. 3.8 trillion market cap, almost 1.2 million viewers. Bitcoin price.live. You can set this chart up on your TV. Right now we're holding 104,500. 60K bonus with Bybit. You can become a student and start trading. Scan this QR code. 60K bonus to trade on Bybit. Become a student. Take the crypto master course, stock guru master course. We've entered extreme greed again, everyone. Extreme greed. 51 funding fee. Bitcoin funding fee. With Bitcoin dominance 51%. Funding fee is only 0.0083, so it's quite low actually, the funding fee, which is very interesting when you're seeing Bitcoin at 104,000 for it to be a low funding fee. Amazing. We're going to jump into the charts for Bitcoin, Ethereum. My trades are pumping. Doge pumped, Uniswap pumped, everything we bought, amazing gains. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up, and turn on the bell. Let's jump into technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into the market, and it was huge gains yesterday across the market. You can see before it resets, Doge is still pumping into the aftermarket. I'm going to show you. I took a screenshot so you can see the percentage gains. My account sitting now at 1085, and if you remember, a few days ago on the 13th of January, it actually went down to 890K. So I'm up about almost $200,000 in the last 4 days, which is amazing. My Bitcoin trade, amazing gains on my Bitcoin trade. Hopefully you saw when I bought Bitcoin, my trade activated at 90K at the bottom, and I added more into Bitcoin. My Bitcoin trade now $66,000 in the profits. Funding fee, not even 0.001 yet. 0.01, not even 0.01. So the funding fees, so my trade is $66,000 in the profits, and it cost me $1,800 to keep this trade open for almost 2 weeks. And it's $66,000 in the profits. My Ethereum trade, $16,000 in the profits, cost me $1,200 to keep this trade open for a week. And the funding fee 0.01. And you can see where I bought Ethereum. I didn't manage to get the exact bottom like Bitcoin, but I bought at 3,000. Now we're at 3,400. 16,000 profit on Ethereum, 66,000 profit on Bitcoin. Also, MCRT up 1.4%. World is up 9. And I managed to get World at the right time. If you followed my videos, I bought that dip perfectly. I bought the dip down to $1.80 on World. And I bought yesterday another 10,000 because I showed a pattern. I'm going to pick the winner of that pattern because now that's playing out. My World is up to 80K almost, which is amazing, up 8%. Uniswap up 5%. I bought 54K, and Doge up 14%. Doge having the biggest pump, but I didn't manage to add enough on the dip into Doge. This is what the market was like last night. Doge was up 10%, World 6.9%, Uni 6%, Ethereum 5%, Bitcoin 4%, total market cap 4%, Tesla 3%, MCRT 2%, TON 2%. So huge gains in the markets, which is amazing. Let's go into the technicals for Bitcoin. Bitcoin, the weekly candle is about to finish tomorrow. So we have 2 days left. 1 day, 23 hours remaining on the weekly candle. And that's a bullish engulfing candle, which is good news. Stochastic is heading up. I think the crypto guru bot still a blue buy. You get in the crypto master course. It fired back in February at 20K, February 2023. Bitcoin indicator bot fired a sell 4 weeks ago. Let's see if it fires a buy on the end of this weekly close. Let's squeeze mob going green again. On the daily, stochastic still heading up, squeeze mob going green. And we're breaking out of this descending triangle that I was talking about, the Trump pump. Descending triangle. Builds pressure and breaks out, but we broke out early, so that's showing very strong strength. The base of the triangle is the distance that we travel, so the target is 117,000 for Bitcoin, which is amazing. If you haven't managed to enter a trade yet, and Trump inauguration is in 2 days on Monday, the 20th of January. So we've got Saturday, Sunday, Monday left. So I think we're going to keep pumping into the inauguration. If you haven't entered a trade, I would recommend taking it from support here, stop loss underneath, and take profit at 117K. Risk to reward, actually I'll do it from support there, 99,345, stop loss 97,500, and take profit 117K, risking 1,800 to make 18,600 with no leverage per Bitcoin. With 10x leverage, it will be $186,000. That's the trade I would take on Bitcoin. 108 is the all-time high to break, but we're quite close to it. We made a higher high compared to the last one, which is very good news. That's the trade I would take on Bitcoin going into the Trump inauguration. Let's go into the hourly. Hourly looking like a bull flag, continuously heading up. Let's go into Ethereum 3472, which is amazing. On the daily candles, Ethereum is back inside this descending triangle and back to being very bullish, because this descending triangle builds pressure, and breaks out the base of the triangle. And we had a fake out where it spooked everyone, spiked down to 2,900, but it was only a fake out. And now we're back in the triangle, and if the base of the triangle is where the distance that we travel, you could say it will be this distance here, then the target of Ethereum is 4,500 for Ethereum. If you haven't taken a trade yet, I would try to catch it onto a pullback onto major support, 3,000. I would say 3,340, stop loss under the weekly, and take profit at 4,500, risk toward 13 times, risking 90 per Ethereum to make 1,100. With no leverage, 10x leverage would be 11,000. That's the trade I would take on Ethereum, which is beautiful. And the market cap looking amazing. Tesla also pumped 3%. It was up 5% during the day, but a little bit of a pullback. But very good news for Tesla as well. If we measure this descending triangle on Tesla, it's already breaking out according to this. Everyone, on the 4-hourly, you can see that Tesla already broke this symmetrical triangle to the upside. Builds pressure, and breaks out. So the base of the triangle. So we have a new target for Tesla, which would be new target 400 and 561 target for Tesla. And that lines up with our the big support now on Tesla, I would say, is 371. And this symmetrical triangle 561, if we zoom out on the weekly, you can see the bigger pattern on Tesla that I've been trading. The bigger pattern is this huge symmetrical triangle that goes back to 2021 on Tesla. Massive symmetrical triangle, builds pressure, breaks out. The base of the triangle is the target, so 600. And the target of this symmetrical triangle that we saw just now, it erased that trend line. One second. Put that trend line back. And you can see here that symmetrical triangle is already breaking up to the upside, which is very good news. Target would be 561 for Tesla, which is amazing. And if you want to trade like you're seeing me do, don't forget, Weex is giving away a Mercedes GLA gold bar and a Rolex share of up to 150,000. The trading competition has started and ends on the 27th of this month. So in 7 days, win a Mercedes GLA over on Weex. All the links are down below. 60K bonus when you sign up and trade on Bybit. It's my main exchange for trading. Weex is giving a $200 bonus on sign up, and you can go in that trading competition to win that GLA. Bitunix, $5,500 on sign up, KYC free. James Crypto Guru for the courses and for the Telegram. In the Telegram, we have 220 people online. Last night, there was like 900. You can see people discussing, talking. Bitcoin is going to have the only available trade on inauguration day. You can see everyone discussing in here and arguing. Over on X, we've got 99,100 followers. If Bitcoin does this, the entire world will be talking about Bitcoin. 7,300 people saw this post. This was me in 2018. Don't invest in just stocks. This is because a post on, have you 10,000 to invest right now? Here's what the experts say. They're not experts. I am the expert. Don't invest in just stocks. Your 10,000 will be 25,000 compounded 10% per year. That's if good investment in 10 years. Crap returns. Invest in cryptocurrency. 10,000 in Bitcoin in 2016 is equal to 61,000 in 2018. This was in May 2018 when I made this post. Now it's 2025 and Bitcoin is at 105K. So I was the expert actually, which is beautiful. Everyone follow Adam Back, the Bitcoin OG. If you know, you know. Adam Back is saying today's the last TradeFi trading day before the Trump presidency inauguration Monday because there's a holiday. Bitcoin still mispriced below all-time high. TradeFi can enjoy the Tuesday gap on CME Bitcoin futures and spot ETFs. Have fun, guys. Bitcoin markets don't sleep 24/7. It's going to be open. So Bitcoin is going to be the only thing available to trade on inauguration day. That should be interesting. All major US stock markets will be closed on Monday, January 20th in observance of Martin Luther King Jr. Day and Trump's presidency going into the inauguration. Bitcoin descending triangle breakout target is 115K. This was in my video yesterday, 100K. Bitcoin is now 104K, which is beautiful. You think crypto is scary? Try working 40 years without being able to save anything, then retire at 70. Very, very true. That's scary. Which is beautiful. Bitcoin 105K. TSM up 250% since I made this post when I was buying the lows on Bitcoin at 16K, 17K. Uniswap, Google, Meta, Test. This was the lows back in December 2022. Go check out the prices then. SpaceX. Okay, win $100 by telling me why I bought $10,000 more of World just now. This was 20 hours ago. Comment, repost, follow me. We'll pick a winner in my videos in a few days. Why did I buy $100 of World, everyone? And you can see I added more to my World position. This is when I sold World at $3.80 and I bought at $2 and $1.80. And then I said, why? Because this is an inverse head and shoulders. Inverse head and shoulders. Let's see how many people got it right. So we've got 13K, 189 replies, the most liked. It's forming a head and shoulders. World is really undervalued. It's got a lot of fundamental projects. It's forming an inverse head and shoulders. It's giving bullish pattern, correct? Inverse head and shoulders. You should also say there is a bull flag forming as well, which is correct. You got the most likes with the correct answer. Inverse head and shoulders. He drew it perfectly. That's what I was trying to show. Inverse head and shoulders. Congratulations. You win $100, which is beautiful. Congratulations, James. Because of OpenAI will be demand in US government and cryptos will be a priority. World is being backed by them. World is founded by OpenAI, Sam, the guy who invented OpenAI also is the co-founder of World. This altcoin season is led by AI coins and World is going to be one of them. Inverse head and shoulders formation. Correct, you were correct. Let's take a look at this, Sir James. Oh, nice. But it was because of the inverse head and shoulders, which is amazing. Also, I think I have to pick another winner for this $1,000 giveaway. How many? There was meant to be 10 winners of $100. I've picked 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I picked 6 winners. Okay, I'll let my team let me know, but I got to pick 4 more winners, but I'll do it in the next video. So make sure go onto my X. I'll repost this. I'll tag it in my video and do that competition, which is beautiful. All the links are down below. Congratulations, everyone, on the gains on Tesla, Bitcoin, Ethereum, World, Uni, Doge. Amazing, amazing gains. Hit the subscribe button, smash up thumbs up button, turn on the bell. Congratulations, everyone. I do think we pump going into the Trump inauguration on Monday and then buy the rumor, sell the news. However, I really don't know when Trump gets in office how much news he can release. So much amazing news for Bitcoin, crypto, and the markets. Love you all. Have an amazing day. We'll trade it on the TA on Monday. Love you all. Have an amazing weekend, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.